I'm Alina from DIY Garden, and today we're going to be reviewing Bosch CityMower. So this lawnmower took about 15 minutes to assemble. It was a little fiddlier compared to some of the other lawnmowers I've reviewed, but not too bad. It's got a 31 centimeter cutting width, which would be good for small gardens, and the collection box takes 31 litres. Again, that would be good for small gardens. And in here we've got the battery. It's got an 18-volt battery, so it's really easy to slide in and out. There we go. And this, you turn it on when you're ready to use your mower. So when you're assembling this lawnmower, you've got two handle heights to choose from. And over here, this handle adjusts the cutting height. So it's just one handle that adjusts the height for all four wheels. And it goes from 30 millimeters to 60 millimeters with 3 different height settings to choose from. So let's turn the lawnmower on. You lift this, you flick this switch here, close that, and up here you press the button and then pull these triggers at the same time. Like all cordless lawnmowers, this one's really lightweight. It's so easy to move it around corners, to pick it up. It's got a handle here. It's not the best balance, but grab it from here as well, and it's easy enough to move around. So it's, as I said, it's quite a small lawnmower, but that's ideal for small gardens. It's called a city mower, so I would assume it's made for small gardens in the city, and it would be absolutely perfect for that.